Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to verify if a custom code is added to a website in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger Website Builder, and this is the custom code I will verify. First, copy a part of this custom code, just like that. Then visit your website. With the right button of your mouse, click, then go to Inspect. Click on this part of the table and hit Ctrl F or Command F on MacBook. As you can see, a search bar is open. Now paste your part of your code, and this is my code. As you can see, this means my custom code is added to my website in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.